Understanding the phrase, sleeping hamster, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of an interesting phrase, sleeping hamster. This might sound a bit unusual, but it's a great example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, let's dive into the world of idiomatic expressions and find out what a sleeping hamster really means. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts, sleeping and hamster. Sleeping is the present participle of the verb sleep, which means to be in a state of rest where you're not awake. Hamster, on the other hand, is a small, furry rodent often kept as a pet. It's known for being active at night and sleeping during the day. When we combine these two words, the phrase creates an image of a hamster that is resting or inactive. Now, let's look at the figurative meaning. In English, phrases often have a literal meaning and a figurative one. The phrase, sleeping hamster, doesn't actually refer to a resting pet. Instead, it's used metaphorically to describe a situation or a person that is inactive, dormant, or not showing their full potential. It's like saying something has potential energy or capability that is not currently being used. To understand it better, let's see some examples. 1. Our new software is like a sleeping hamster. It has great potential, but we haven't utilized it fully yet. 2. He's a sleeping hamster at work, always doing the bare minimum but capable of much more. In these examples, sleeping hamster is used to indicate untapped potential or something that's inactive but could be very active or effective under different circumstances. Remember, this phrase is not commonly used in everyday English and might be more of a creative expression. It's always good to understand the context in which such phrases are used. They are great in informal conversations, creative writings, or to add flavor to your speech. However, they might not be suitable for formal or professional settings. And that wraps up our session on the phrase, sleeping hamster. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new, fun expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is full of surprises and creative expressions like this one. Keep exploring and enjoy the journey of learning English. Until next time, happy learning!